If the default Kali Linux terminal looks a little boring to you, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to customize the color scheme and make your terminal look more aesthetic and easier to read. Alright, first open your terminal. Now look at the top left corner where it shows Session, Action, Edit, View, and Help. Click on Session and then select Preferences. First, I am going to remove the transparency by setting it to 0%. This will make the terminal look clearer and easier to see. After adjusting it, click Apply and then click OK. Now, again click on Session and then select Preferences. This time, go to the Appearance tab. Here, under the color scheme option, you will see different preset themes available. For example, if I choose the Ubuntu color scheme and click Apply, you can instantly see the terminal change to that theme. One of the most commonly used color schemes by hackers is the green on black theme. It gives that classic hacker terminal look. Similarly, you can try different options here and find the one that looks best to you. Take your time and switch through a few themes to see which one matches your style or the vibe you want for your workspace. Once you're satisfied with your color scheme, just click Apply and then click OK, and that's it. Your terminal now has a fresh new look that's cleaner and easier to work with. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Kali Linux and cybersecurity tutorials.